Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a maximum torque wrench. First, always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. A torque wrench is a precision tool designed to apply a specific amount of rotational force, measured in units like foot-pounds or newton-meters, to a fastener. Before you begin, always inspect your wrench for any signs of damage or wear, ensuring it is clean and ready for accurate operation. This initial check is crucial for both safety and precision. Setting the correct torque is a critical step. Begin by consulting the manufacturer's specifications for the fastener or component you are working on. This value is often expressed in foot-pounds or newton-meters. Unlock the adjustment mechanism, usually found at the base of the handle, and carefully rotate it until your desired torque value, for example, 50 foot-pounds, aligns perfectly with the indicator. Once set, firmly lock the mechanism to ensure the setting remains constant throughout the task, preventing any unintended adjustments. Now let's apply the torque. Select the correct size socket or bit and attach it securely to the wrench's square drive. Place the socket squarely onto the fastener, ensuring it's fully engaged. With a firm, two-handed grip, apply steady, increasing pressure to the wrench handle. Continue applying force until you hear or feel a distinct click or a slight breakover in the handle, indicating the set torque has been reached. Stop immediately at this point. Do not continue to tighten, as over-torquing can cause significant damage. After completing your task, proper post-use care is essential for maintaining your torque wrench's accuracy and longevity. Always release the torque setting to its lowest value, often 0, before storing it. This relieves tension on the internal spring mechanism. Clean the wrench with a soft, dry cloth, removing any dirt or grease. Store it in its protective case, in a dry, temperature-controlled environment. Remember to have your torque wrench professionally calibrated every 6 to 12 months to ensure its continued precision for all your future projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.